In this video, I'm going to show you why you always want to have a gutter around your home. So we bought this old home from 1950. It has a crawl space. You can see it has this concrete footer with joists kind of lifting the floor off the ground. And take a look at what happens. Last night it rained. You see this puddle here of water? That is from the rain last night. So it's really damp under this crawl space. And this house does not have a gutter. It hasn't had a gutter for a long time. And look what that moisture does to your floor joists over time if they're not treated. So this is one of the joists. Look at that. All that rot, termite damage, wet rot, whatever. So we're replacing it with this treated lumber, which hopefully will hold up a lot better to the moisture. But you can see over here in this concrete footer, see that crack right there? When it rains outside, water comes gushing through that crack. It just seeps through the ground. The ground level is somewhere probably around there is probably where the ground level is. And the water just drains out of the soil into the crawl space. And then down here, there's no way for that to vent. So all that water comes down here and it stays down here for a long time. And that moisture collects on these floorboards. It drips with water at the bottom of the floorboards, gets covered in all this yucky mold and slime and looks pretty gross. In a future video, I'm hoping that I'll be putting up some gutters around the house so the water drains away from the foundation. Because just think of all the problems. We've got multiple places in the concrete footer where the foundation has cracked. I think also with this damp moisture, not only does it create lots of mold and lots of rot, wearing away your floor joists and your floorboards, but it also stinks, and I think over time the house settles a lot more and you start seeing sagging. Like over at the top of some of our walls, you can see a little bit of a crack. Here is yet another reason why you want to have gutters, because if you don't, you'll get little critters like worms and slugs. Hey buddy, look at that. Yeah, we gotta have a garden down here. Save yourself some grief, get yourself some gutters, especially if you live where it rains a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. Feel free to subscribe and we'll see you next time.